Peyto Lake. Those who set out to discover Canada's natural riches encounter a magical lake in northwestern Alberta, within the boundaries of Banff National Park. Peyto Lake. A shining jewel among Canada's natural wonders, Lake Peyto, located in Jasper National Park embraced by the Rocky Mountains, is a natural wonder. This lake, which fascinates those who see it with its clear turquoise waters and impressive view, is one of the indispensable stops for nature lovers. Lake Peyto was discovered in 1862 by British geographer and explorer James Hector. In 1969, the lake was protected as part of the Jasper National Park, and today it takes visitors on an unforgettable journey into the depths of nature. The visual feast of the lake, combined with the elegance of the surrounding wild nature, offers a magical view. Melting glaciers from the Yoho Mountains, about 3.5 kilometers long, feed the Peyto Glacier, the lake's source of nutrition. The clear water from the melting glacier filters through the dense forests and alpine meadows to form the lake. Thus, this natural wonder becomes one of the most beautiful lakes in the world with its turquoise blue. Lake Peyto is a paradise for nature photographers. The famous Bow Summit viewpoint, located near the lake, offers visitors a spectacular panoramic view of the entire lake from a bird's-eye view. From this vantage point, not only the beauty of the lake can be seen, but also the magnificent combination of mountain peaks and meandering valleys that surround it. The beauty of Lake Peyto is too great for photographs, but with a souvenir photo, it is possible to keep this natural masterpiece forever. The wildlife around Lake Peyto is also remarkable. Visitors can discover a variety of wild animals, birds and plant species. Among the animals you may encounter in this area are brown bears, mountain goats and grey reindeer. In addition, the stunning flowers and alpine plants around the lake offer a visual feast to visitors on nature walks. However, it's our responsibility to protect this uniquely beautiful natural heritage. Visitors should respect this corner of paradise with an environmentally friendly and sustainable tourism approach. With simple steps such as picking up garbage, using designated paths, and taking photos without disturbing wildlife, we can pass on this natural wonder to future generations unspoiled. Peyto Lake, one of the indispensable routes for nature lovers, is a natural wonder worth visiting. If you want to collect unforgettable memories in the magical atmosphere of nature, you should add Lake Peyto to your list. This lake, the natural jewel of Canada, will offer you an unforgettable travel experience and allow you to take a journey in touch with nature. If you want to visit this natural wonder, we offer you a detailed guide to follow the most suitable route. The nearest major airport to Peyto Lake is Calgary International Airport. You can continue your journey by renting a car from the airport or joining tours organized by tourism companies. If you are traveling by car from other Canadian cities or the US border, the most convenient way to visit Lake Peyto is to take the Alberta-93 Icefields Parkway. This road connects the towns of Lake Louise and Jasper and allows you to explore the spectacular natural landscapes. There are many rest areas and landscaping points along the way. We wish you a pleasant journey.